So once again, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. We started chapter of trigonometry last week and we discussed about area of triangle, parallelogram, as well as questions related to height and distance. That means the points, angle of elevation as well as angle of depression we discussed. And after this discussing that, we started first exercise of this trigonometry from the book of CDC. And let's continue from the same place today also. Look at this question, which we were doing at last day. That means I think on Friday. Find the area of following triangles. There is one triangle given to us in question number 1D, in which one exterior angle ACD is 105 degree, AB is 6 centimeter, BC is not given to us. If AB is 6 centimeter, AC is also 6 centimeter. Then we calculated the values of interior angles. Then we calculated value of angle A also. We did this question almost up to the end. Angle ABC is 75 degree after calculating ACB. 105 plus ACB, this one is equal to 180. From this we will get angle ACB 75 degree, and after getting 75, ABC is also 75 because base angles of isosceles triangle are equal to each other. If ABC is 75, ACB is also 75, BAC will be 30 degree because sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. By using that, we can find out angle BAC, and that is equal to 30. Your angle BAC 30 degree आयो माथिपट्टि को, and after getting angle BAC 30 degree, now we can calculate the area of triangle, because area of triangle is equal to 1/2 product of two sides into sine of angle between them. That means 1/2 AB into AC sine angle BAC. So by use of that formula, we can calculate the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 AB into AC sine angle A. And after putting values of all given values, 1/2, 6 into 6 into sine 30. This is 30. These two sides are 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Just simplify it. 6 6 is 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 into 1/2, it is equal to 9 centimeter square, and which is required answer. I completed this very fast because we did this question last week also. Let's move to next question. Question number 2B. I left 2A because that is easy question. 2B. If the area of triangle ABC is equal to 30 square centimeter, A is equal to 4 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 45 degree, find the length of side AB. So at first, area is given A, side small a is given, that means it is BC. In triangle ABC, A is given means that is side BC. As we discussed the last day, यो A भनेको कसरी थाहा पाउनु पर्यो, ट्रायंगल ABC मा जुन योसँग छैन, except A there is BC. So this is side BC. Angle opposite, sorry, side opposite to given angle is denoted by small letter of that angle. Angle A को opposite मा side BC हुन्छ, त्यसैले त्यसलाई small a भनेर denote गरिन्छ. And angle B is 45 degree. We have to find out the length of side AB. Let me draw it here for you to make it understand easily. This is A, this one is B, this third one is C. Sorry. And now A means 4 centimeter. This is BC, 4 centimeter. Okay. Angle B is 45 degree. This is given to us. and its area is 30 centimeters square. I think you got the question clearly, because we have one angle, we have one side, and we have area also. We have to find out this side. एउटा angle दिएको छ, side दिएको छ, area is given. Then by using formula of area is 1/2 product of two sides into sine of angle between them. Product of two sides means AB into BC sine 45 degree. This 30 square centimeter area is equal to AB into BC sine 45 degree. So look at its solution now. Write given things. Angle B 45 degree. Area of triangle ABC 30 square centimeter. Next one A. Side A means BC. We have to find out the length of side AB. So let it is C. AB भनेको C भयो. ABC in triangle ABC. Which one is missing from here? Small c. So that is side AB. And we have area of triangle is equal to 1/2 AC sin B. AC sin B. यहाँ नभएको angle यहाँ आउँछ. Side A, side C, and angle B. Now put the values. Area of triangle is 30. 1/2. A is 4. C means AB sine 45. This is the value of angle B. Now again put value of sine 45 and simplify it. 2 to the 4. So 2 remains here. 30 is equal to 2 into AB into sine 45 1/√2. Again after this also take this 2 in denominator here and √2 in numerator. Becomes 30 into √2 divided by 2. Cancel out this 30/2. 15 to the 30. So AB is equal to 15√2 centimeter. So this solution is completed. So if it is clear, let's move to next question now. Question number 2D. Find the area of parallelogram with adjacent sides 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter and including angle 60 degree. This says that there is a parallelogram with two sides 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. That this is one parallelogram given to us, and its two sides are 8 centimeter as well as 10 centimeters. So let this shorter one is 8 centimeter. This is 8, and let this one is 10. And angle between them is 60 degree. There is no any difficulty in this question. Just I included this question because we solved the question related to area of triangles only up to now. So now we have to find out the area of parallelogram by using formula of it. Area of parallelogram is equal to product of two sides into sine of angle between them. Triangle में के थियो half of product of two side into sine of angle between them, and for parallelogram product of two side into sine of angle between them. So here given things, one side 8 centimeter, I said let it be A, and another side 10 centimeter, let it be B, and angle is given, let it be angle C. And we have to find out the area of parallelogram, and we have formula. Area of parallelogram is AB sine C, that is 8 into 10 into sine 60. Put value of sine 60 now. 8 into 10, 80 into sine 60 means
√3/2, sir.
√3/2. 80 into √3/2. If we'll cancel out 80/2, it will be 40√3. So its required answer is 40√3 square centimeter. So let's move to next question. 2F. If the area of rhombus having a side length 6 centimeter is 18 cm square, find its one of the angles. So given thing here is rhombus. Rhombus means a parallelogram having all sides equal or a quadrilateral having all sides equal. त्यस्तो quadrilateral जसको सबै साइडहरु के हुन्छन् equal. This is called rhombus. And here also we have to use formula for area of parallelogram because it is also a type of parallelogram. Its area is given to us, that is 18 square centimeter. And one of the side is given, that means all sides are same. एउटा 6 centimeters छ भने अरु पनि कति नै हुने हुन्, all will be 6 centimeters. So all side of this rhombus are 6 centimeter. And if we know the sides as well as area, we can find out the angle easily by using formula of area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is product of sides into sine of angle between them. So 18 square centimeter is equal to 6 into 6 into sine of this angle. यो जुन angle हामीलाई थाहा छैन, which we don't know here. This one we have to find out. So to find out this angle, we are going to use formula of area of parallelogram. So let's move to its solution. Side of rhombus 6 centimeter. I say let both side A and B. Two sides of rhombus, both are equal. Angle between them, we don't know the angle, so let it be C. I say to use the formula AB sine C. And area of rhombus is 18 square centimeter. We have formula area of rhombus is equal to AB sine C. Put the value area of rhombus 18. 18 is equal to A is 6, B is also 6, sine C we don't know. 6 is 36 and take that to left hand side and divide it. And after dividing you will get 1 by 2. Sine C is equal to 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 is value of sine 30. Therefore value of C will be 30 degree. 18 divided by 6 36, which is sine C is equal to 1 by 2 or sine C is equal to sine 30 and C is equal to 30 degree. It is clear or not, this line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. यो यति 1 by 2 को ठाउँमा sin 30 राखेको है. We kept sin 30 here and we removed sine from both sides. C is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so if it is clear, let's move to next one. Question number 3. Find the area of given triangle ABC in each case. One triangle ABC is given. In question number 3, there are 3 questions, 3A, B, and C. For that, this question is asked, and one angle as well as one side is given. Both sides are not given. Another angle is 90 degree. That means it is right angled triangle. One right angled triangle is given to us, and in right angled triangle, one angle is given to us, another side is given to us. And let's discuss about it. If triangle is right angle triangle, side opposite to given angle or side opposite to reference angle, what is its name? We discussed about it in grade 9 also. What it is called?
Perpendicular.
It is perpendicular. Okay, you know it. And side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. This remaining side or side joining 90 degree as well as angle of reference is called base. This third one is base. And it is right angled triangle. If triangle is right angled, to find out the area of triangle, we can use the formula 1 by 2 perpendicular into base. 1 by 2 perpendicular into base. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. There are 3 formulas. 1 by 2 base into height. Next, for right angle triangle, 1 by 2 perpendicular into base. Next, for equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. So here it is right angled triangle. For this, we can use the formula of right angled triangle, that is 1 by 2 perpendicular into base. Now to find out this base, if we have perpendicular, angle of reference, as well as the triangle is right angled triangle, then we can use the formula of tan theta, tan of angle C, which is equal to perpendicular by base. You know it. जुन
Yes.
भ्यालु हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ त्यसकै फर्मुला युज गर्नु पर्यो. परपेन्डिकुलर दिएको छ, बेस फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ भने use the formula of tan. If we have to find out the hypotenuse find out गर्नुपर्ने भएको भए p by h, sin theta is equal to p by h. If we have to find out, now two things are only there, base and hypotenuse. So I discussed about these two only. If we have to find out hypotenuse, perpendicular is given p by h, that is sin theta. If we have to find out the base, there is the formula p by b, tan theta. So here we are going to use formula of tan theta. Tan c is equal to p by b. And after using it, we will get value of b. And you b आइसकेपछि area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 p into b. That is our formula. At first, we have to find out b, then area of triangle 1 by 2 p into b. AB is given, that is 8 root 3. Angle C is given, which is 60 degree. Area of triangle is asked to us, and we know that tan theta is equal to p by b, or tan of this angle C is equal to p by b. Put values. Tan C means tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular 8 root 3, base is BC, which gives us root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 or not?
Yes.
Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 8 root 3 divided by BC, and it gives us BC is equal to 8. How it becomes 8? Can you say it? Root 3 we can cancel.
Yes, sir. Right.
And after taking BC here, BC la yata ल्याइदियौ भने BC is equal to 8 भइहाल्यो, 8 centimeter. Okay? BC is equal to 8 centimeter. If we know the value of BC, now use formula of area of triangle, which is 1 by 2 P into B. 1 by 2, 8 root 3. Perpendicular is 8 root 3 into B, 8 centimeter. Just we calculated here. Now 2 4 is 8. 4 8 is 32 root 3 centimeter squares. If there is no problem, let's move to next question. Let's discuss about other questions of question number 3. There are 2 more questions, and how to solve these questions I'll discuss here, and I'll leave these for you. There is the question in which AB is given, AC is given, so it is also right angled triangle. In right angled triangle, if 2 sides are given and if third side is not given, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find out the third side. That is h square is equal to p square plus b square. And hereby using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out this value of b. H is given, perpendicular is also given. Use h square is equal to p square plus, yes?
P square.
Okay, by using this one, find out value of this b. Your base find out gara, and then use the formula of area of triangle 1 by 2 p into b after finding the base by using Pythagoras theorem. Look at next one. Here it is missing to write the right angle. You pani right angle triangle nahi ho, otherwise we can't calculate any value from it. It is also a right angle triangle, and for this right angle triangle, one angle is given and side opposite to angle is given. That means it is perpendicular, and this one is the base. So by using formula of tan theta, as we did previously in question number A, use formula of tan angle A. There is angle A in place of reference angle A. It is equal to P by B. By using it, we will get value of B. And after getting value of B, you can use formula area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 P into B. So in this way, you can complete questions of question number 3. Look at question number 4 now. In triangle PQR, PR is equal to 6 centimeter, PQ is equal to 7 centimeter, angle PRQ is equal to 100 degree, angle PQR is equal to 50 degree. Find the area of triangle PQR. So let's draw this triangle here. P, Q, R, which is given to us. PQ is 7 centimeter. Next, PR is 6 centimeter. Which angle is given? PRQ 100 degree. Next, PQR 50 degree. So here in this question, most important thing is we have to find out the angle P. Angle P find out garnu parne ho. How? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Reason is sum of interior angle of triangle. And after finding angle P, we know the two sides as well as angle between them. Two sides given to us are side PQ as well as PR. PQ is given to us, PR is also given to us. If we will get value of angle P by using sum of angles of triangle, then area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2. Which two sides? PQ
Q, PR,
into next
sine,
PR
and sine P.
and into sine angle P, isn't it?
Yes.
This is the area of triangle PQR. So at first, find out angle P and use this formula. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 PQ into PR sine P. Now let's move to B number. This 4A is your homework. Complete that in home. Find the height AD and the base of BC of triangle ABC if its area is 64 square centimeter, AB is equal to 8 centimeter and angle ABC is equal to 30 degree. So you have to imagine these figures. यो कस्तो होला भन्ने imagine गर्ने हामीले. What is the name of triangle? Name of triangle is ABC. It is triangle A, B, C, and it is said to find the height. If it is said to find out the height, means this is asked to us. You nikalna bhane ho, where this angle is 90 degree. If it is 90, then it is called height. And name of height is AD. AD bhane cha. So this length of AD we have to find out here. For that, at first look at given things. Its area is 64 square centimeter. AB is 8 centimeter. AB 8 centimeter. It is given. Area is 64. Angle ABC is 30 degree. This angle is given to us and it is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree. If this angle is given as well as AB is given and area is given, एउटा side area र angle दिएको छ भने अर्को side हामी find out गर्न सक्छौं by using a formula of area. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 product of two sides into sine of the angle between them. दुईटा product को side into sine, त्यो दुईटा बीचको angle को sine value लियो भने that gives us the area of the triangle. So by using that formula, we can find out the BC. We'll easily find out the BC, which is asked here to us. BC find out garna bhane cha question le BC. And after finding BC, we can find out the height because BC is the base of triangle, and if we know the base of triangle as well as area of triangle, base area of triangle then we will calculate the height easily because area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. So as I said, by using formula of area of triangle, at first find out BC, and after finding BC, you can use formula area formula again 1/2 base into height, then you will get its height. So for its solution, at first angle ABC is 30 degree, AB is equal to 8 centimeter, area of triangle 64 square centimeter, that is given to us. We have to find out the height AD as well as base BC. So we have formula area of triangle is equal to 1/2 AB into BC into sine B, product of two sides into sine of angle between them. AB into BC into sine angle, this 30 degree, sine angle B. So area of triangle is 64, AB is 8 centimeter, BC is not given, sine B means sine 30 degree. 64 is equal to 1/2 into 8 into BC into sine 30. So what is value of sine 30?
1/2.
1/2. So if we'll cancel 8/2, it will be 4. 64 is equal to 4 into BC into 1/2. Again, if we'll cancel this 4, it will be 2. And if it divides 64, it will give us the value of BC.
32.
64 is equal to 2 into BC, and BC is equal to 64/2, which is 32 centimeter. And now after getting value of BC, we can find out the area, use the area of triangle again. Area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. So 64 is equal to 1/2 base is 32 into height AD. So 64 is equal to 16 AD, and AD is equal to 4 centimeter. This is our required answer. So this much for today. Thank you everyone. Complete remaining question up to this question, and other remaining question after this one we'll do tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.